Let's get out again. Got a Hyundai. Let's see, is it unlocked? Yeah, I do need it. I need to unlock the car. What's good, gang? Out here on a mobile tire service, changing one tire, 225s, 4517. Do not mind the bus. I was driving yesterday. Toolbox flipped over. Now I got tools all over the place. Yeah, man. So once I'm done to do this job, I'm gonna get back to the crib and clean my bus because the bus looking ridiculous right now. Like, I got caught in the rain the day before. Then as I finish the job, go to the second job to change the valve stem. The whole toolbox flip over. I never had a toolbox flip over. But come and change one tire. 225, 45, 17. Alright, I had to ask you sure you got the tire? Cause right there, lock key over there, you get to go. So I'm at the job. So the good thing with mobile tire service, you're still able to work. You ain't gotta miss no work. I could come, like I did a challenge at the barber shop, so you still gonna handle what you gotta handle, and I pull up on you and make it easy for you. Hence, Eazy Auto. So it's my customer right there. She walking. She fired. You can unlock the car with the phone. Like I'm in something. All my cars under 2012, so I don't know nothing about none of that. So say what's good, gang. So I'm gonna get started on this, and y'all know what it is. Alright. So we get everything set up right quick. And I'm gonna cut y'all on right back. Oh, dang. pounds. We'll put on the balance tool. We'll be good to go. Alright, we'll put it back on the balancer. Get it all balanced up. Then we're going back on the car. We'll get our balance set up. We all good. Okay. And now what we gotta do now is scan the tire sensors all the way around, and that make the tire light go off. So even though you put a brand new tire on, since you had a spare, the tire light ain't gonna make. So let's go around and scan that. See, like 439 miles. This thing all right for a tank. What is this, hybrid? Yeah. Yeah, do that, we'll be all good. Alright, I don't know what this thing, 23 in, 23 not in. Let me try 23 in. Alright, getting another scan tool. Let me try that. There we go, alright. So yeah, I just go around and scan each one. We'll be good to go. And sometimes they require you to drive it, you know, 10 miles or something like that so it can read. And once it calibrate, the street messed up a little bit. Dang. Once it calibrate, then the tire light will go off just like this one did. So I just had to go up the street right quick to drive it, because I'd rather, you know, I get everything off the screen, so you don't have to worry about getting into the car and, you know, worrying about anything. So job complete. I just beat the rain look like, and I'll catch y'all on a rebound, baby. Easy out.